Film outside, Lace. Film outside.
That one there.
Flat one.
Yes. There's no way you could fit 2 cars in here. There's no absolute way you could fit 2 cars in here. There's no way you could fit 2 cars in here. It's the house.
Hold on, Colin, let me just concentrate. What are you saying?
Look at my shoe. This is how squashed I was.
Ugh.
Look.
Well, we're here.
Mum.
This is the home for the weekend.
I can see
Very sunny Bournemouth.
Right,
And
let's
we
see.
booked this house on bookings.com. Didn't we, Mum?
Yeah.
Rent out their house.
They moved house.
How blue the sky is.
They moved house.
Yeah. And we're out. And I just got soaked on the branch. And this is where we parked. Just here are the steps. You got your decking, gazebo, hot tub, and then car park. So you can fit 2 here. Fit 2 cars. There's the car. And here's the house.
Guess what? There's a deck.
There's a deck.
I need to see inside.
So,
Come on.
where are we again?
Bourne Avenue.
Bourne Avenue. Number.
Bourne Bank.
We're in Bourne Bank, Bourne Avenue in Bournemouth. What a mouthful.
We never had a big house.
And we're here for 4 days.
4 nights. Oh. How many nights?
Oh my god, look at this.
Look, me, that can leave.
Quite a good room for your segways.
Yep, but we might crash.
Yeah, I think I stood on the segways. What?
Let's put my bag down.
Was that for us?
But do you drop one to look
Turn the
at?
lights on.
Do you drop it down? I want to look at the house with us.
Please do not.
So, do you drop it down and we're our tour buddies? They want to look. Guys, come here.
Okay,
Look.
let's have a quick look around.
No, guys, come here first.
Bournemouth, fabulous food and drink, fun things to do. Recommended by your host Pete and Joe. It lists so many things. Like cafes to takeaways. We're going to need that later.
Guys,
And all,
can I show you the house?
There's pubs, bars, restaurants.
Can I do the tour? Because normally
Can you do the tour downstairs and I'll do upstairs?
Hello guests, we've got some little
well, we can
welcome
share.
popcorn and
We can
beer.
both show them. Right, so this is the kitchen. Right, good, guys,
Okay.
we've got our own soap. Wow!
Wow, room soup.
This is the kitchen. Wait,
So we're in the kitchen. And this must be the
guys,
front
this is our kitchen. We got a nice table, some nice tall chairs,
one. Yeah.
and Mum, you won't believe what we got. Mum,
Yeah.
you won't believe what we got.
What?
Coffee machine.
Claire's famous coffee.
And good.
Claire's bringing the
Guys,
beans.
guys, we got this.
Oh, wine cooler.
We
That's
got
cool.
wine.
We got champagne, wine, yeah.
Knife and forks. Guys, they gave us our own pizza cutter.
Oh,
That's
cool.
why they're still okay.
Sweet. So,
Right, now I'll give you a tour of the footprint. Guys, I think Jude's up and down the road.
foosball.
I think someone's chilling on our sofa.
Who is chilling on the sofa?
Someone's chilling on our sofa, Mummy. What? Shall we go into that?
So this is bedroom number 1.
There's a shark.
Oh, shark room.
Shark. Shark. Ah! 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 He's eating me. Ow. Wait. Dad, look what's here.
Oh yeah.
Guys,
Oh,
that's a
locked.
code.
There's a code. That must be where they keep all the cleaning stuff.
Yeah,
This leads. You've got 2 single beds, which leads to
Right.
outside.
Don't go up there.
Don't go out there.
Right, come on, guys. Look, we got a bathroom.
Downstairs toilet. Oh, and a shower.
We're both showed up. This is our bathroom. We got a shower. I hope there's a bath upstairs.
Maybe.
Guys, now we're gonna go here. We got another bathroom.
Another front room.
Yes.
Oh, I thought that was the front room over there.
Guys, we got a front room.
Oh, this is cool.
We got sandals, guys.
Some sandals.
Oh, nice of them.
Random.
So use.
Look at this pillow.
We've got a nice
No.
map of
No, we're
Bournemouth.
not doing the same with shoes on.
It says you are here.
Guys, come here.
Oh my god, there's books. I can try and find a read I like.
Yeah.
A book I like.
Guys, this is something from the olden days. Guys, this is something from the olden days, and
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's part of it.
Melted ice cream.
but look, this is something from the olden days. And music.
That's cool, isn't it?
Guys, there's something to show you. Look,
You good? Watch
I got something
England
to show
in
you.
here
I got something
against
to show you.
Switzerland tomorrow.
Hang on, wait.
Good morning, good.
Wait, I'll tell you.
Insert if we win here.
Guys, in here. Nice room.
Ooh, another two.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
It comes with a Lily, and got
Another
these
2
Bath
single
and
beds.
shower gel. Well done.
bath and shower gown, and look,
Wardrobe hanging
so
space.
soft. And we got these and these.
That's cool.
We got our own sandals. Come on, guys, I'll show you upstairs.
That's pretty cool. So
Oh,
front
nice.
room leads to the bedroom.
Right,
And the
guys.
bedroom and the front room leads to the kitchen slash.
Guys, I'm gonna take my shoes off because I don't want to wear anything.
Okay, get shoes from love.
Guys,
There's
I'm
a lot
not
here. There's 2 sections to ourselves.
Wait, look.
Then that's your other bedroom with 2 single beds.
Good.
Got a shower and toilet.
Guys, come here.
And now we're going
Look.
upstairs.
What's in
We
there?
got these.
It's just a Hoover.
Undercover.
Under the
Like from
stairs.
Harry Potter.
It is like Harry Potter.
Look, so we got these. Oh, we got
Oh, yeah.
football t-shirts, Dad.
Bournemouth football
Oh,
team.
I nearly fell on the mirror. Wait, stained glass.
The colours
Stained
are
glass.
the default.
Come on.
The red arrows.
Guys, come on.
Very
Let's
red
race
stairs. For Bournemouth, I guess.
Guys, come in.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, we've got wine.
So you got 2 ways you
We
can go
got
left.
wine glasses.
Wait.
Guys, look behind you. Wine glasses.
Oh my, a wine glass chandelier.
Guys, come in.
It's a dobby door.
Wait, a dobby door.
Oh,
So
just
we're going to
like,
go right.
We got a dobby door.
Dobby door.
We got a fan. We got a bed with love hearts.
King size bed.
Bed with love hearts. This is my
There's your
room,
view.
guys.
look at your wardrobe. You've got a dog.
Okay, jacuzzi just over there. The car
Oh, I want to see.
is just underneath that patio decking area.
Whoa. Look, you guys got like a little wardrobe space.
Guys, this might be my room, guys. Mite. I've got a mite in it. Come on, let's just... Wait, shh. Guys, so we're going to this room first.
We got a laundry cupboard.
There's a mum.
Scared me. Samsung washing machine.
Guys, we can see
Samsung. For the water
Was
dryer.
that dry? And this leads you to your
Master bedroom.
master bedroom. Super king size bed. 6 foot this.
Yeah.
Dad, come and open the door.
Think fan our ring.
I reckon we'll just take over upstairs.
Yeah. And then this is your view from the window. And then you've got a cupboard here. Oh my gosh.
Come on, guys.
It's a little storage cupboard.
Guys.
And a fireplace.
Do we do that thing?
I don't know, I can hold it now. Yeah, you've got your view from the room. As I said, tennis courts. The car's just
You
down
can
there.
sit
to the right.
here.
You can sit there, put
What?
your shoes on. What's in that cupboard?
Not open it. I can't open.
That's just a wardrobe.
No one.
Another set of drawers, a nice fan.
Guys, come here.
So that's your master bedroom.
Guys, so we've got a bathroom.
Oh,
look at the light switch.
Cute.
Look at the white light switch.
Oh my god, massive.
There is a bath! There's a bath! There's a bath! Wait, Mum can have a Wait, guys.
What?
Lily can have a shower here. I can have
That's your main bathroom.
Guys, guess what? I need to design my I'm gonna design my room. Follow me. Me?
So should we go finish emptying the car?
No.
And then we're back in the kitchen area. So we're now going to go. What I didn't show you was the access to the hot tub. So from the kitchen, come through, this is your front room. Then you must come through this door. Some towels. Thank you. Which we can wash and dry. So this was the alleyway to that room that I showed you downstairs. So you can come all the way through here. There's your front room. That's padlocked so you can't get out. It's good for the kids. And this is deck area, so they have got gas barbecue. And then you've got seating area with a surfboard. And the tennis sets. You got your hot tub. Good.
Oh my god, it's like a bed. Whoa. Whoa!
That's really cool.
Whoa. Wait, what? Look under that.
So let's go back in. That was the hot tub. And all this is inclusive of your stay. And we're here till Monday morning. And we'll lock it all up. And then we're back in the kitchen and front room.
Okay, just be very careful.
Have you pressed
Who's
record?
here? Yeah.
Because you've got a red light.
Yep.
No.
He's here. I know he's here.
There's a secret room.
It's a games room.
Oh my god.
That's the big bags.
Bean bags.
That's
Got an
something.
Xbox.
Guys, that's 4. Dad, you all sit down.
What?
There's a head.
Board
There's a head.
games.
There's a head.
There's a head.
You got bean bags.
I thought there was another room. It's so random.
It is random.
I know who's going to be in here.
And the best thing of the room, little picture of our Redna.
Mum.
Signed.
Mum.
Little secret room. Oh, and there's a boat. The tennis courts. And then we go back up the steps. So the front door and the living room front doors, porch doors. And we go back in. We'll wait for Tesco's because we've got a Tesco's home delivery shop on the way.
Hang on,
foosball.
Hang on, Lil.
Put it back on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. But I won 2 out of 3, so I win.
No.
Fine, you start.
Wait, where's the ball?
8:01 p.m.
Hang on.
Good night. Look how organised she is. She don't do that at home though, does she?
It would.
I don't believe that.
I would.
Okay. Love ya.
Love ya.
Go check on the other one. Place?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah? We're gonna go at the house? Yeah? Okay. We'll see you tomorrow for a cheer day. Peace out, guys.
Tomorrow.
Ouchie! It hurts with no shoes on, guys. You lift them and like these things are done.
Right. Hold the GoPro.
I'm cold. Oh! Let me see.
Shame about the weather.
Put this on. Put your hand in.
Woo! Traffic jam. Alright, buddies.
Come on.
Hot tub time.
Lars, you're floating. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.